Oh, my beautiful and handsome people. Omona, today is the D-Day. Today is the day that the election tribunal does start. You understand? So P2B don't arrive court. So anyway, I go play the videos for now. You know, and after the video, I'm gonna come tell on waiting they gone for my mind.
That's the lion himself. Rock coming in. Morning, sir.
Okay. Are you ready?
Almost 8 in the morning at the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal at the Court of Appeal in Abuja. A lot of lawyers gathered here since 6 a.m. but the courtroom is still locked. And this is
I don't see the cross section of videos we just they reach the stables of crime and controversy. Not be smart, you know. So petition tribunal, and I don't see Obi don't show. In fact, there's even heavy security presence, but you understand. I know say everywhere go take calm because I dey tell you say if not for P2B, everywhere for the hot now. Even the election, the way P2B use campaign. It calm down the violence where these people been they plan because this APC now very violent people. Now see what they do for Adamawa now so they for do that kind of thing all over Nigeria, you understand? But because of P2B composure, you remember when he go come TV that time for Arise and other channels or NTA, they tell people say, you know, made a vote for competence, you know, and you know the approach where you come with the election. I make I tell you. And even after the election, after APC do abracadabra, when I see how the guy keeping composure, you know there is you know, after you know say person cheats you, can't carry win case, you know, person cheat you. Anyway, make I give you a breakdown of, you know, waiting they want up for the petition tribunal. Say today will be a good day to return the stolen mandate. Our case more reminder now, you know, the first one, drug trafficking and money laundering case. And $460,000 for future. That's, you know, say Tinubu na cocaine mafia now. Now part of waiting is summit. Then secondly, 25% for FCT. The third one, forged certificate. All these things supposed to reach disqualification, but you know Nigeria now. Would they watch the judges, you know? The fourth one, INEC not following its guideline. INEC na the Yakubu. Yeah, professor without integrity. You know how they do now. No shame. Everything are money for them. They no fit follow due process. So now see how the Labour Party, what do they call it? The INEC rec for Abia do the right thing. Now waiting would expect say make INEC chairman Yakubu do, but no, the man never won't get sense. You understand? Even come where files them they organize something for Lagos. Say we go upload them. As the result they finish, but for where they reach that day they do another thing. The fifth one VP's double nomination, the Shetima. You understand? That man the Fieramo. That man nothing person fit tell me. That man a Boko Haram sympathizer. Person where they see with Kabiru Sokoto. Person where mastermind Abuja bomb blast. They follow and they eat fura they no. That man in way no pure. The sixth one election rigging. They go present evidence. Some people they say Obi no say some APC people think say only what do they call them FCT stuff now will be present. They don't know see Obi then go present evidence of rigging. I mean, they don't know say that one day important for disqualification. Even the only the Rivers own. INEC chairman announced another thing for TV. Waiting they upload for their IREV. Now another thing. You understand? So that one self don't they contradictory. And many other results, Lagos and all those, so be then go present evidence. Now today, 7 that dual citizenship and lying under the oath. You understand? But I know they see how the case they go. All these things, they list them where. Don't be say they make up anything. Tinubu na person of questionable character. Of recent, they find 20 houses where he own, where he be under during Lagos State Governor. You understand? Houses where he own under Fashola their name, many people name. And you know, waiting they disappoint me be say, you know, some of these APC supporters, I feel say they swear for them. How you think say person we get questionable character? You don't be like say me you put Ibori as president of Nigeria, because person Nigeria go good. You're just a joker. You go put in fellow thieves all over him. In fact, sometimes when I watch video of Tinubu, I even wonder how that man, let's assume say the man even become the president select. I wonder how that man go work. More than 1 million psycho fans go just surround them. Even normal person self, you no go confused. Everybody will fool for where you go chop. You no concern them whether they keep people for Nigeria. You no concern them whether the economy die. You could just see all of them swamp of bees. Very, very shameful. In fact, when I see those videos, it vex me. So these are just the things where they want to do for the petition tribunal. But I don't want to sound pessimistic. You see that Nigeria, I don't believe anything. That Nigeria, they do me like say God no did that country again. You understand? If Obi go even upturn this thing, a miracle. I they tell you, because Nigeria, I don't know. I feel say a criminal society. Yeah, I don't want to sound pessimistic. That's what me I feel, you know. But who knows? There's always a day where things they change. But they cheat us for answers. They cheat us during the election. Now it is say things go can't change. I don't know, Sha. If you get a different view to this whole election petition tribunal. You understand? If you have your own different view, I know dispute them, but I know that I did pessimistic about Nigeria and their Nigerian ways of doing things. You know, for governorship election, that one the torchlights no day too much on them. But this one, there's a lot of people who depend on this election, especially from the APC camp. They depend on because if APC if they kick out APC, now the death of APC, if they just kick them out, because now party we deal with a lot of psychophants, killers, and people of questionable character. You understand? So if APC no win, it go really affect them. So another thing are the integrity of the judges. How the Nigerian judges they get integrity now today. You go see case where you go see say person suppose win. They go upturn them. You go see person waste billions. They go carry and go court. They go still do their magic. You understand? I tell you, say many of these judges and lawyers, many of the Nigerian, I don't talk about this channel. Say many Nigerians. You understand? And the thought say maybe I even feel they included. Many Nigerians don't get integrity. Go check the word meaning of integrity. They don't get what they stand for. They lack integrity and corruption. You see these two words. They're important. Nigeria and our country will be say they judge Ibori case where Ibori steal Delta State money. They don't see one thing for Ibori body. Immediately go UK, pia, they find something for him body. You say if na Nigeria they judge a Kurimado case, you say anything for happen, and they ask you. You understand? So I like the faith of the people who are optimistic. I wish I feel the optimistic, but Nigeria why no? Anyway, for those people where they just say P2B no, family people know P2B. You know, get one no P2B all over the nook and crannies of Nigeria now. You understand? You know, get those of now they say before the election say Wuna, I guess 6 point something plus Lagos vote plus Plateau vote plus Benue vote plus Rivers vote where they come out all the juicy part of him votes. Give him Tinubu. You understand? This Tinubu, this man way no pure. Since they born me, I never see this kind of something before. And if I thought say courts can't do magic, can't say will be no win. You understand? Then I go advise say more wait for Hush Puppy. You know Hush Puppy now. More wait, make Hush Puppy finish in prison sentence so that we go come vote for Hush Puppy for president. I think that would be the best solution so that we would elect criminals. People like let's say Shekau. You say Shekau they are alive. for even still vote for him. You understand? Then people of which other questionable character go talk now? People will get evil elements. We go they vote them. Since Nigeria will be the first country we put a cocaine mafia as president. That means if it happen everywhere. You know, when some of us talk about this Tinubu story, some people go say, it no matter. Many of these people, many of the people where they support Tinubu. If they see people where they sell drugs, then they first condemn them. Now the main mafia don't come out now. People get mind. You know, say this is the election the day for. Nobody say some people no vote Tinubu. People still get mind. Go vote Tinubu. And they see the result, the original result of P2B for Rivers. It be like saying the APC carry second. Are people that heartless? APC was supposed to take last for all the position for all the states. Now then they take second. Obi had more than 50% of the votes. But go check them now. When Yakubu, the useless INEC man, the chairman, they announced say Tinubu win the election. If na so after Tinubu more vote for Ibori too. Ibori na thief. More vote for him too. After Ibori more vote for Asari Dokubo, Shekau, Gumi. Those are the future hush puppy. Those are the people who go be future president of Nigeria. Since many Nigerians they no get conscience because of tribal and religious interest. Many of them just bring. Some go say why they no bring them up for governorship election. Because governorship election they different from presidential. On presidential, a lot of torchlight. Governorship, you just they rule your own clan and climb. Now your group of people they rule. Presidents, different kind of characters. I like us to be they follow this thing. Win or lose, we did together in this thing. You understand? Our Rome was not built in a day. You understand? But those of now we keep they optimistic. May on our optimism and the hope we will get for a better Nigeria may push us to to seeing the right thing being done for the first time. Many of us since they born us, Nigeria never do anything good. And they look Reno. Okay, make I just even digress. I listened to Reno Mokri the other day. Reno Mokri opening in Brown Tea. They thought say Nigeria is progressing because some people they do some private investments like Lekki Free Trade Zone. What do they Dangote refinery? Those are private investments. If they compare them, say people they praise Rwanda, say Rwanda they built $2 billion airport. Rwanda they used government, they built $2 billion airport for them government. So why Nigeria? Nigeria would they do another thing when no make sense? You understand? You see, Rwanda they do all these things. Now people they say they no get vision. Now some people the country will fight war finish. Country they organize past Nigeria. Imagine say Rwanda can't get natural resources. Where them for day? Everybody get right to say Rwanda they better than Nigeria. Even though say the Kagame self know they try 1 or 2 ways, but Kagame is better than 95% of Nigerian leaders. If na Nigerian leaders they give Rwanda that they are Kigali and capitals and other places, go they organize and corruption go they hide there. And maybe by now the ethnic killings go still there. Go watch how Kagame them win power. You understand? When the soldiers when they don't kill their people. Say they want retaliate. Kagame say me they no retaliate. Say me they allow due process. You understand? So yes, Kagame figure 1 or 2 faults, but generally Kagame is better than all Nigerian leaders. You understand? Anyway, guys, how wanna see this whole election petition tribunal? How now wanna see the which way una they optimistic or una they okay, una might not say una they pessimistic like una they optimistic. This election I don't tire for Nigeria, but make you let me know your thoughts for the comment section.